Welcome to Insignia's second generation of showers. But what does that really mean? Well, it means we've created a showering revolution, and it's something not seen by anyone else in our industry. To start, we've got our industry-changing LeakFree tray, the innovative QuickClick build system, and customization elements to suit your design preferences. And that's before we tell you all about the extra enhancements we've put within the cabin. So first of all, let's talk about the shower tray. So when we talk about the shower tray, why is it unique? Well, quite simply, we've made the entire cabin sit within the tray. We've created a 60mm lip, and we've placed all the panels onto risers, allowing any water to return back through the allotted channels into the tray. Next, we have the QuickClick frame. This is another part of the evolution in Insignia's second generation of showers, making the awkward and fiddly frame connection simple and easy. It can be connected in literally 20 seconds by slotting the frame together and securing the clips. One of the most lengthy parts of the install on Insignia's first generation showers. This shaves upwards of 15 minutes off the build time. Even a DIY novice can assemble this frame in approximately 1 minute. It really is that easy. And finally, we have our customization tools, which really do mean you can create your perfect shower exactly how you want it. There's many choices, starting with the tray, shape and size, the colour of the framework, the tint or non-tint of glass, model dependent. You can choose your back wall colour, whether you would like steam or a non-steam option, and finally, if you'd like to upgrade from the premium range to the platinum range. It really does make for a bespoke shower, which is why we like to say it's designed by you and built by Insignia.